Thank you for the kind introduction. My name is Sam Lee. I'm the chairman of the steering committee of TADS Awards 2021. I'm also the founder and CEO of Constreet Partners. Today is my great pleasure to be here to share with you on some information on TADS Awards 2021. TADS Awards is the world's first annual international awards for tokenized asset and digitized securities sectors. It celebrates this industry by recognizing and honoring significant contribution and distinguished achievement worldwide. It brings together individuals and businesses to share the energy and tokenization that brings to the financial sector. It nurtures the growth of this specific industry by jointly establishing best practices and setting measuring standards for high-quality tokenized asset and digitized securities, together with other industry leaders on the global markets. We are very grateful to host the second year of TADS Awards this year in 2021. We launched the first year of TADS Awards last year in 2020. These are the 10 winners from last year. And among them, we have some very reputable companies and impressive projects as well. You can find the details on our website. For this year, TADS Awards 2021, we follow the same structure as last year to separate the awards into two categories. As you can see in the left-hand side, what we call the Best of Class TADS Awards category, it goes to the asset issuers and corporations. And on the right-hand side, the Ecosystem Excellency Awards category, it goes to the service provider and solution providers along the value chain. And underneath each category, we have some subcategory of different awards. For example, on the Best of TADS Awards category, we have 5 sub-awards underneath, namely the equity-backed tokens, which is backed by equity shares of a company, asset-backed tokens, which is backed by physical asset, other assets, or even fiat currency as well. For example, we consider stable coin is also asset-backed tokens. The third type will be tokenized debt, which will be backed by debts, bonds, and debentures. And this year, following the trend, we added the NFT token as well. The NFT token, we focus more on the security nature of NFT, because there are other type of NFT that is not classified as securities. But there are some that have more of an investment element, which can also be classified as security as well. In addition, we have the ESG, SDG tokens, and also adding a new category, subcategory this year is the TADS Rising Star Awards for the Best of Class TADS category. On the right-hand side, Ecosystem Excellency, the subcategory includes KYC compliance solution, tokens issuing solution, digital custodian solution, and also this year we adding NFT platform solution and brokerage asset management solution, as well as a new subcategory rewarding the up-and-coming companies under the Rising Star Award. And as you can imagine, these two type of categories, Best of Class TADS and Ecosystem Excellency Awards, they are targeting to different groups of companies. So therefore, we also have different judging criteria at the back. For example, for the Best of Class TADS Awards, we judge the project by the economic viability, innovation, risk management, governance, and compliance. On the other hand, for ecosystem excellency, we judge it by ingenuity, impact, practicality, compliance, and cost efficiency. And you might notice there's one element is common for the two category is compliance, because we think because tokenized asset and digitized securities are regulated products, we believe both on the tokens financial product side and also the technical solution side should also be a compliance solution. We already start the nomination. It will run until end of September, and we are aiming to have an award ceremony in early November as a side event of Hong Kong FinTech Week. These are some of our steering committees. Our organizing committee. We have a separate vetting and judging committee for each category of awards. So these are the vetting and judging committees for Best of Class TADS Awards category. And these are the vetting and judging committee for the Ecosystem Excellency Awards category. Also, thank you for the strong support for our strategic partners, supporting organizations, sponsors, and research and legal partners. And of course, our regulated exchange partners around the world, and PR and media and community partners as well. Thanks to the strong support from the community, we have a very good coverage on the media side in multiple language and different countries. So this is the timeline. As you can see now, we are in the middle of the expert discussion panel sessions. This is, I believe, the 5th session. So we still have 2 more to go. And then we will be heading to the end of our nomination period in end of September. We're aiming to complete the judging in October so that we can make the announcement of results in early November during the award ceremony. These are some of the dates of the rest of the expert discussion panel. So without further delay, I will pass the session back to the host to continue the very exciting expert panel discussion coming up next. Thank you so much.